I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your SiriusXM app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here and then you're looking for SiriusXM app. Or just click on search, then here add SiriusXM, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK here. So then you go down, you just click here on storage here. Come to storage list, you just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here. So then here you search here for SiriusXM app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if you click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.